So that's our land. Land. That's our land, honey. Need more to focus, Han. Lord God, help us, our land. Wait pa, you're so fast. Rice field. Pa, this is good pa. Honey, look at me. This part is good because there's a lot of water. But the other part of the land is not good, honey. It was cracked because of, the heat of the sun. Look at it, honey. Look at it, so shiny. It's so hot here. Oh, that land is good. That one is good. Wait pa. That one is good. Good also. But this one needs more water, honey. That one need more water. Have you seen it, honey? That one is good. I forgot my hat. That's why only t-shirt I put in my head hand. And honey, our land starts there, until there, which is Papa is the one who walked there. Oh, honey, it's so dry. Mapas pa ni pa ba? Mapas pa ni ba? Hala pa, init na kay Papa. Butangan na natugtubig pa. Pa. My goodness, Han, we need... Oh my. This part is good. So many water. But this part... Han, we really need the generator. Oh my. This part really needs water, honey. Papa is there already. We have to check the water pump, Han. So that's the start of the... Pa! Excuse me, tabi-tabi po. Where did you get the water? Pa! Where will you get water? So that is the water pump, Han. Starting there. Oh, the starts there. I love you, honey. So this is the water pump.
Get water. Nice machine.